Uses of has. We use has with he. For example, he has, she has, it has. It indicates places, animals, or objects. And also, we use has while we use only one name. For example, Dina has. Rohit is a boy. He has a storybook. We are talking about Rohit, and Rohit is only one boy. So, we can say Rohit has a storybook, or we can say he has a storybook because he is indicating Rohit. Dina is a girl. She has a house. Here we are talking about Dina, and Dina is one person. So we have to say Dina has a house or she has a house. This is a bus. It has 4 wheels. Bus is an object here. So we have to say it has. It has 4 wheels. Or we can say the bus has 4 wheels. This is a bird. It has 2 wings. We are talking about only one bird. So we have to say it has. It has 2 wings. The word it is indicating this bird here. Angel has a toy house. Angel is one person. So we have to say Angel has. Angel has a toy house. When we talk about only one name, we use has, like Angel has a toy house. Uses of have. We use have with I, we, they, and with more than one name, animal, object, or place. Suppose you have many books at your home. So you can tell to your friends that I have many books. Imagine your brother and you have many books at your home. So again, you can tell to your friends, we have many books. We have many books. Suppose two of your cousins have a nice umbrella. So you can say, they have an umbrella. They have an umbrella. Cows have 4 legs. We are talking about more than one cow. So, we said cows have. If it was only one cow, then we would say cow has 4 legs. But we are talking about more than one cow. So, we said cows have 4 legs. Dhaka and Sylhet cities have many buildings. We are talking about 2 cities. So, we told cities have. But if it was only Dhaka city, then we would say Dhaka city has many buildings. Or if it was only Sylhet city, then we would say Sylhet city has many buildings. But we are talking about both. So we told Dhaka and Sylhet cities have many buildings. Cars have 4 wheels. We are talking about more than one car. So we said, cars have. If it was only one car, then we would say, car has 4 wheels. But as we are talking about 2 cars, so we said, cars have 4 wheels. If you enjoyed watching our videos, then don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.